Hello friends, welcome to Learn Deeper. In this video, we are going to say or going to learn what is bubble shorting. Before that, for my beautiful and like sincere viewers, I want to share something. It's so sad. Let me show you. I have only 12 subscribers and I have uploaded over 18. And most of the viewers, like they don't subscribe. Only 5.3% of the viewers subscribed and the rest of them didn't subscribe. So if you're not liking my video, at least give me some suggestions so that I can improve on that. Okay, so it's an humble request, please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, let's go back to our presentation. Okay, so bubble shorting. Okay, so why we want to study this? In my previous video I have given a full explanation about sorting algorithms, which we will use in programming language, and why, what is the advantages, what are the applications, and what is the disadvantages. And we have categorized as comparison and non-comparison algorithms. Yeah, sorting techniques. I mean, yeah. So let's see the first one, which is bubble sorting. It comes under comparison. Like we are going to compare each the value. We are going to use the comparison, and then we are going to apply the technique, right? Algorithm. So the first one, bubble sort is simplest. Like it is more very easy as we compare to the other sorting techniques. Okay. So what it does, it rapidly let me use the pen. No, not pen. Yeah. So it repeatedly swap the adjacent. Like if you are having one and then two, like if you want to make it as a descending order, like 2 is greater than 1, so we will swap it, right? So this is what swapping means, right? So adjacent, like one after another. That's what it means. Okay. So it's not efficient. Like it works very well for small, like uh, yeah, small databases. Like if you are having 100, it is more efficient. And if we compare that um, time complexity with a 1,000 or 10,000, in that case, if you are having a small data sets, it is more efficient. And as its average and worst case time complexity are quite high. Okay, this is the reason we are not, I won't recommend, or it is generally not recommended to apply this bubble sort algorithm in very large data sets. Okay, so further we are going to see some property. We are going to sort an array. Here the data set is in form of array. Okay, so after first passing a first, after the first pass, the largest will go to the end. See, the maximum will go to the end, and the second largest will go to the second last position after the second pass. Okay, we will go through what is this second pass. I know you are like confusion with this, right? So let's go. Here we have considered, yeah. Just read through this. In every pass, process only those that have already not moved. The correct position after k passes, the largest k must have been moved to the kth last kth position. Please note this point. See, if the swapping is already done, it will breaks there. Like the time complexity will be reduced. Okay, so let's go further. Sorry for the interactions, guys. I have divided this video into four different parts, which comes of total of 20 minutes. So I divided this into. Please continue with the next video. Thank you. There is no subscriber in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, nobody is subscribing to me. Okay, guys, and don't forget to click the bell icon and like this channel. Okay, so thank you, guys. Have a nice day.